Welcome back to the Black Cat Roundabout. It's been 10 days since we were last here. It's Saturday, the 30th of January, and it feels like there's a bit of a milestone moment coming because National Highways have announced they're about to start the process of removing 120,000 lorry loads of earth to lower the middle section of the old roundabout here at the Black Cat. 120,000 lorry loads. So much soil is going to have to be moved out to lower that middle section and this section here so it can pass under the new bridge for the roundabout and under the A421. Next weekend, the A1 northbound's closed, so the Kelpie Marina in the distance there can finally have them beams lifted into place. So the A1 north and A421 westbound is closed next weekend, and I would confirm that is the 6th to the 9th. Also all the way through February, if you're heading this way, the A421 westbound is closed every weekend through February, so keep an eye on that. And if you're heading the other way to Caxton Gibbet, the roundabouts there are closed from the 16th of Feb to the 7th of March while they're lifting the bridge beams in place. So you can see here the centre section of the roundabout, and I think if you look there on the right where those steps go down, is that how much they're going to have to drop the middle section by? That is quite a drop if it is. I noticed that when I was editing the video. You can see the piling there on that huge area of earth. That looks like that might be the depth they have to drop it from. I think the chaps working there probably just under 6 foot, 8 meters. That looks like it could be where they have to get that down to. And I do wonder, with that area where the piling is there on the right, if that's actually going to be the bridge for the roundabout to pass over the top. Remember, they moved that roundabout arch there on the right. Did we pan back enough? Did we? Yeah, it's just there. That actually they actually moved the roundabout, didn't they? A couple of months ago. So I wonder whether those piling bits, I don't know what they're called, that we can see there in the centre of the screen, whether that's going to be where the new bridge is to carry the road over. And I keep looking at this. You can see there on the right the old road markings. So I don't think it's too far-fetched for that to be the area where the new bridge is going to be. Be a bit of a tight turn coming out the roundabout. But yeah, I wonder if that's going to be where it is. That big drainage area there. Looking north, not much going on. Can't see anything that we didn't see last time. With the cement factories and everything. But let's go and have a look. Big piling rig there, but don't think it's working. Have a quick look with a zoom. What gets me is the sign still being in place. Just there, you can see the sign. So yeah, you've got the carriageway that you can't use anymore, but they've left the sign still. Big crawler crane not being used at the weekend, and some of the piles they have to put in place there on the floor. So we look across, you can see the new on-ramp onto the A421 there. All seems to be in place very early. That I don't understand why that's getting ready. It doesn't go anywhere, so even if they connected that up and said, go down there, you're not going to get anywhere because the bridge is unfinished. And there's the Black Cat itself. It's weird looking back and seeing how different this looked just a year ago, before the works really progressed here. I didn't expect it to be so quick, and when they start removing all that soil, it's going to be quite a feat. That's going to add quite a lot of traffic onto the road. I wonder how many they'll do a day. And where will they be going? I assume most of it will be used for embankments. So it'll be interesting to see where that goes. As we look across the site again. Anything else we can see that wasn't there last time? So have a look over the bridge. So this is the A421 route. This is where, if you're coming from Milton Keynes or Bedford, you'll come over the top of the roundabout here, and there's a bridge just behind me which we'll pass over. So there's the A421 bridge that'll take you over the top if you're coming from Milton Keynes. Clearly they've had people working on the top. Got that lift on the left hand side. got that entrance into the roundabout there as well that you can see. So yeah, the A421 will come over the top here. There's some free flowing lanes, and if you're a car, this is the route you'll take, straight over the top of the Black Cat, and you'll be able to get to Cambridge without any roundabouts when the scheme is complete in just over a year now. Not long. You can see here as we head over the top of this new bridge and over this area here. Slip road already being constructed on the left hand side and the right, so they're already in place. As we head down to the new bridge over the River Great Ouse, you can see more concrete's been put in place since we were here 10 days ago. So plenty happening here on the Black Cat, and like I said, it's going to get busier. And as we look into the distance there, that's where the East Coast Main Line is. There's a bridge there as well, and Great Barford Road, maybe. I keep forgetting. I've filmed so many things around here. You'd think I'd know by now. But there's the bridge over the River Great Ouse. There was only a couple of bits in place last week, but those cranes have been working away, and there's been more concrete lifted in. Be good to see that happening in another week, but proper job means I can't come down during the week, so unfortunately you don't get to see that happening. And as we look back towards the Roxton Garden Centre and the Roxton Road Bridge from the Black Cat. So the Black Cat, who asked me this on Facebook, I never say which way the Black Cat orientation is. It is north to the right, south to the left. There is no northbound road around the top of the roundabout anymore. But yeah, I keep getting asked, oh, what orientation are these photos? I never put markers on, never think about it. But yeah, it's the roundabout itself. You can see there the traffic coming under the new bridge. I wonder if this slip road will get used as an access way for staff. Maybe there'll be a compound or something clearly in place with floodlights, really bright floodlights, a lot of people tell me. And that's the Black Cat site now. So yeah, there's a lot coming on over the next month. They're going to start building the embankments up on the A421. I assume it'd be that section running into the bridge at the top of the video there, to allow that to be built up and be tied in. The Marina Bridge will finally appear, and they'll start building that up. And then Caxton Gibbet, they'll build that as well. So the bridge will start being built there, and then by March they'll be building the actual bridge infrastructure on the top of the beams. But as we look here, you can see the other area here is this weird part of the old southbound carriageway. So they've moved the traffic over onto the northbound carriageway now as you come down the A1. Doesn't quite tally into the drawings, and still can't figure out what they're going to do there. So that'll be another thing to see develop over the next few weeks and months. But here's a different angle. Don't normally get this one, but now we're allowed to use the slightly larger drone. And there's maybe that's the old carriageway, that triangle at the bottom there, because that wouldn't take you over what I think is going to be the new area of the bridge. So as we pass back across, there'll be the flyover for the A421 with a white crane in the middle. And I think this area down towards the bottom of the screen is where the new bridge will be to carry the roundabout over the lowered A1. So many truckloads. Hopefully they're going to be just taken into the site. So, you know, maybe that's why these slip roads are built, so they can get the soil straight into where it's needed, not actually running into the local roads, causing more trouble. Looking at that white car there, I feel he's paying. Such a horrible junction to get out of when you're waiting to get onto the A421 from Bedford Road. So yeah, these areas here, they're going to be closed. This is going to be closed for the next 4 weekends while they tie in the embankments. I guess that'll allow this to be built up and into that overpass over the top of the A1 and the new Black Cat Roundabout. Bit of a weird one as well, because you can see the traffic there. It seems most people have realised there's no speed cameras. Most people are just hammering down the A421 when I come down here on the weekend. It's always seemed like I'm doing the slowest speed in the world. But yeah, here's the A421, the A1 southbound, and you can see where the works are happening to build that new carriageway. There's the pile and rig, which is in place, and the traffic currently using the old A1 North carriageway. So yeah, they've moved the traffic over while they do these works on the A1 southbound. We'll be along to have a look at the works at Kelpie Marina next weekend. Probably come down on the Sunday, so the bridge beam should be in place by then. And yeah, Saturday might be a bit soon to see real progress, so we'll probably do it Sunday morning. Hopefully get some nice footage of that. But there's the Black Cat Roundabout as it was on the 30th of January. And there's that weird part of the old road that was cut out. Can't figure that out yet, so we'll see where that goes in the next few weeks. And thanks for joining. Take care. See you in the next video.